What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. I am Christina Lynn, and on today's video we are going to be making some mustard greens. So as you can tell by the title, I picked up some greens. Well, actually they delivered them in my Instacart order the other day, so I'm just not getting around to cooking them. I picked up some beef kibashi sausages. I'm gonna put those in there. I did the regular beef and I also did the jalapeno beef. They're very good. They're a little bit spicy, so I may not use the entire pack of those because they do have a little kick. And I also did some smoked turkey drums. I'm gonna boil these first and then add my mustard greens in there. So I also have garlic. Where's the garlic at? Here it is. I also have garlic, fresh garlic. I'm gonna chop up in there as well, and onion. So hold on, we're gonna get these drums boiled. That way we can go ahead and get our mustard greens cooked. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started cooking. These are the seasonings I'm gonna use: black pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of adobo seasoning. You don't really need a whole lot of this because it's kind of salty. You put too much. And a little bit of the Knorr chicken bouillon. We're gonna add all of that in and we're gonna use that to cook with. Of how the greens are coming along. They're coming along good. I went ahead and added the mustard greens to the pot, as well as purple onion, the sausages, and then the fresh garlic. So everything has been cooking down now, probably about an hour. So I'm gonna let it cook down a little bit more. I added my Knorr, as well as some additional water, because as you know, with the smoked turkey wings, you don't really need to add water because it's already salty enough. But once those turkey wings cook down, you will have to add some more water. So that's what I did. So in addition to adding more water, I added a little bit of the Knorr chicken bouillon to give it a little bit more flavor. So we're gonna let this cook down a little bit longer, and then I'll come back and show y'all the finished product. those are the greens. I'm also lower rice, which I'm gonna probably go ahead and cover up so that that can finish cooking down. And I also have pinto beans as well. If y'all wanna know how I did those, let me know, and I'll show you the recipe for that one as well. It's just pinto beans, the canned pinto beans. I did it because I'm kind of in a hurry today, so it's semi-homemade. I added the kibashi sausages as well as onion and fresh garlic. So if y'all want to know about the recipe for that one, let me know in the comments. And then I'll be sure and show y'all that one as well. But I'm going to put the top back on these greens. That way they can finish cooking. And shouldn't be too much longer. And this is the final product of the greens, how they turned out. So I am going to make me a small plate. And I'm using a plate because I want one of the turkey wings. And guys, these greens are a very good source of fiber as well as vitamin K. So very healthy. All right. All right, guys, so I'm gonna try it out. These are the smoked turkey necks and the mustard greens. Ooh, it's hot. Mmm. It melts in your mouth. These greens, they slide down your throat. Remember, we are doing 31 days of Vlogtober videos every single day for the month of October. All you have to do is put a comment down there, don't matter what it is. I will shout you out on tomorrow's video if you leave a comment on today. But anyway, if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you would consider subscribing to the channel because we're going all the way up. We're going all the way up. But until next time, guys, I will see you all tomorrow.